Hi friends, Allison Jensen from Orange Easel School of Art, and I have a very simple take on a paper chain just in time for Valentine's Day. So all you're going to need, just like all other paper chains, are some strips of construction paper. I've used 9x12 construction paper in red and pink, the traditional Valentine's Day colors, and I've cut them in 1.5-inch strips, so they're 1.5 by 9, because I did it on the short edge. So that made a whole bunch of these, more than what I'm going to need. My first step, which is going to be different than what you're used to with a paper chain, is you're going to fold them in half. So I've got a series here. I'm just going to kind of take a stack for efficiency purposes. If your kiddos want to, they could fold them one by one, but you don't want to sit here and watch me do that, do you? Okay, so we're just going to fold them. Boom. Okay, and then I'm going to start with 2 of them. So here's a red and a pink so that I can alternate. The red one is going to be my handle. The pink one is going to be my very first heart. Now you might want to start this for your kids because it's easier kind of once it gets going, at least conceptually. But this first one, you know, might be kind of tricky. See, all you need is a stapler. I've got the red one inside the pink one. Can you see that? Yeah, red inside the pink. And I'm going to staple up about 1/4 inch from the bottom. Just like that, one staple. And then I leave the red one where it is. I take the pink one and I bring the ends together. You can see it made a heart. Told you it was for Valentine's Day. I take another red one, and while I'm holding that pink one together, I'm going to sandwich a red one around it. And then I'm going to staple, just like I did before, about 1/4 inch up. I find it's easier to build these upside down, see my hearts are upside down, than it is to try to build it standing up, because it flops over. Okay, there's my red one. I'll go pink next. Where's my pink? Take this, pinch it in there. So now I've got the pink one overlapping the 2 red ends. Give it a staple, 1/4 inch from the end. Take the red. And this is how we build our Valentine's Day chains. Now these are really fun if you have a mantle that you want to drape them across. You could count down to Valentine's Day. You could write on each one of these something that you love, or someone that you love. Oops, I'm out of pink. Hang on. This is why you pre-fold them, because if you don't, then you have to do this while holding on to your other one. Ah! Here we go. Staple. All right, when you get to the end of your chain and you're happy with the length, you can either secure it with a staple or you can just secure it with a piece of tape, like this. And then there you go with your heart garland just for Valentine's Day.